This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Terry Baker. Looking for land in the city, a beautiful yard, 2+ car garage /room for a workshop, close proximity to great schools, churches, community pool, dog park and beautiful tree-lined streets? Step into this charming Dutch Colonial nestled on 3 lots which extend back to Columbia Avenue. You will love the traditional higher ceilings, chair railing and wide moldings, real wood flooring. Living room west/wood burning fireplace flanked by doors to the family room. You will also appreciate the extensive updates which include replacement windows, newer HVAC systems, updated electrical, newer roof, huge family room west/all seasons room and more. For more information, review the details below.